Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is June the 20th. As per usual, it's a little series that'll show you things and types of things you can expect to see from us here at 4th Fabric Studio. So without further ado, let's get right into it. And that does it for this week. Thank you all so much for watching. As per usual, everything you saw in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Like this video if you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload, and we'll see you next week.